Hi, I'm James from G&G Fencing and Landscaping Supplies, and today I'm going to talk to you about our popular line of trellis. Starting with the standard diamond trellis and our diamond privacy trellis. Now both of these are available in various height range from 1 foot to 6 foot and are all 6 foot wide. This is our example of the 1 foot height. Starting with our standard diamond trellis, our range is fully treated, tapered, and the main difference is the 40mm diamond width. Moving on to our privacy trellis, its key feature is the difference in diamond width, which is 20mm and is perfect for adding additional privacy in your garden space. And here is a side-by-side comparison of both the 40mm and the 20mm diamonds. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about any of our products, please feel free to contact us on our number here, or simply go to fencingandlandscapingsupplies.co.uk. If you like this video, please like and share. Thank you very much, and we look forward to seeing you again. Proud to say supplies to your door. We're